Homemade scrapple using sausage and brats. You will need a high-powered blender to make this recipe. 4 small loaf pans 3x5s. Start with 1 roll of sage breakfast sausage, a package of brats removed from their casings. Pour water over the sausage in a cold pot. Mash until there are no chunks. Then turn on the heat and cook. Remove from the burner. Add the salt, onion powder, garlic powder, sage, and thyme. Stir and let cool. Once it cools, you'll need to pulverize in 2 separate batches. It should be thin, like a smoothie. Pour it all back into the pot. Add the cornmeal and the flour. Stir. Now let it sit for another 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, turn on the heat and whisk until very thick. It should make a little mountain on the tip of your whisk. Add the pepper, stir, and it's ready to put in the loaf pans. Cover and chill overnight. The next morning, slice and fry. Look in the description for the link to the recipe so you can print it out.